question says a man was parasailing above a lake at an angle of elevation of 32 degrees from a boat. If 129.5 meters of a cable connected the boat to the parasailer, approximately how many meters above the lake was the man? So here we have the diagram. Here 129.5 meters of rope connected to the parasailer, who is over here, right? And here the elevation angle is 32 degrees. So we have to find the x, that is the height of the man at that time. So x equals to height, right? Since x is the opposite side, the given angle and the cable is the hypotenuse, we can use skin ratio. Using ratio, so we know that sine theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, right? By putting values, we know that the opposite side is x and the adjacent side is 129.5, okay, and the theta is 32 degrees. So we can write that 129.5 sine 32 degrees is equal to x. So x is approximately equal to 68.6 meter. 68.6 meter. That is the height of the man at the time.